Welcome everybody, my name is Hanek Barnett. In this video, I would like to help you with a new site video recording, which is a Chigumula industrial park. I want to show you this to see what's going on at Chigumula industrial park in Malawi. So the video today is mainly for that. There is a work that is taking place at Chigumula industrial park in Malawi. They're building a site where manufacture of goods will be taking place. So the video is to give you what is going on the ground at Chigumula Industrial Park. Is this a great job? Is this a good work? As a country, are we serious that we are building the nation? If you see this, because this industrial park, to be honest with you, is a good initiative. But as government, are we supporting people? Because it's one thing to give people a land so that they can build whatever they want to build, and it is another thing to provide people with the necessary support so that they can do their thing without problem. This is the land that has been given to these people to build industries here. But as a nation, are we really serious? Is government supervising this project? Because we don't have just to make this place a dumping site. No, we don't have to ignore the people. We need to build our nation. We need to help people build this nation. As much as the industrial park is a good thing, we need also to make sure that as government, you are supporting the people. You can build good roads. You can support the industries with finances so that they build modern industries here. All buildings that I'm seeing here, of course, they are good. There is much work that is being done for them to be constructed. There's a lot of money that is being spent, but we should also make sure that we are building for the future. We don't just build for the now. We need to build for the future as well. So the industrial park itself has been taking a long time to be finished. Years are passing by without completing the project. Should we spend 20 years for building an industrial park? Are we serious as the nation? Something that can only take maybe a period of 2 years, 3 years to be finished. Should it take 18 years, 10 years to build just an industrial park? And when I'm looking at the industrial park, last time I came here, there was the same situation, which is now. Nothing was happening. And today I've come, I see only a few industries working, but the rest are not working, and the place is not fully developed. What is making us not to develop? What is the problem? I know in Malawi there are, we have industries. There's Mapanga. I don't know if Mapanga is industry. Yeah, the industries in Mapanga. We have Makata industries as well. We have industries in Chirimba. I think these are the places that we have, and this is the Chigumula side where also industries are being built. We need to do more, because a nation that is not producing, a nation that is not manufacturing, forget about it to develop. We need to produce in order for us to develop. We cannot be importing things that we've been importing. Basic needs, basic commodities are not supposed to be imported. We must manufacture them in our country. And such industries like this are the ones which can give us the products we need as they go manufacturing. We need to know about that. Manufacturing is very crucial for the development and industrialization of a nation. We cannot just be called a nation that is farming nation, agricultural based economy. Without processing, without manufacturing, what do we produce? It's not gonna be good to just produce, to just farm things and then send them outside the country for processing, and we buy them at an expensive price as we import the processed products. We need to start manufacturing. We can manufacture crops here in Malawi. I don't know if you manufacture crops, but we can add value to our cotton. We can process our raw materials in order to build a good nation. Malawi will never develop without manufacturing. Malawi will never become great without manufacturing. We need to manufacture in order to build this nation, in order to end poverty. Imagine we've been farming for 50, 60 years, but the nation has never developed. It means farming does not give us good money. Farming is just for us to survive as we eat food. But if we want to survive, we want to grow economically, we need to start manufacturing and setting up industries. That's the only way to start manufacturing the nation. So I support this project of industrialization, and this Chigumula Industrial Park is a good idea. We just need to be more serious with the government. We need to help the people that are involved in this project, to help them. Every Malawian who is interested to start industrialization must be supported. There are Malawians who've got ideas, but they don't have money to implement the ideas, to bring the ideas into fruification. We need to support them. We need to encourage them. We need to give them finances. Right? We can start industrialization. Countries like China, have America, Russia, and many more have developed because of industrialization, not because of just only farming, but industrialization is it's a crucial thing. We can only develop if we industrialize ourselves, if we industrialize our economy, if we begin to process our raw materials. We need to do that. And in fact, we need to encourage Malawians, local people, to start manufacturing. Because as many Malawians are involved in manufacturing, it will be easy for us to develop. But if we let companies which are not Malawians to come and begin doing industrialization in Malawi, you don't know what is their agenda. Do they want to build our economy, or they want to process products and develop the economies which are not Malawi's economies? We are not going to develop if we do not allow the Malawians themselves to become industrialized, to be involved in developing this economy. to build a great economy together. So this is the Chigumula Industrial Park. It's a huge place. I applaud government for everything that it is doing to encourage industrialization in Malawi, but we need to do more. I think this project was started with Peter Mutharika, if I'm not mistaken, the time of Peter Mutharika, and the current government, I don't know what it is doing with this project, but I am also of knowledge that there is another industrial park that is being developed in Longwe, near the Kamuzu International Airport there. I saw the launch. But we need to do more as a nation because we are already late. We need to start developing. We need to start producing. Imagine in Malawi, we still are relying on inputs for food, relying on inputs for basic things like housing, inputs for clothing. Many things we are importing into our nation, but we are supposed to be producing them right here. How much forex do we lose whenever we import things? We lose a lot of money. Let us set up industries here in Malawi and start manufacturing. We already know that manufacturing is about practically doing something to the economy, to build our own economy, to develop our own economy, to produce for our needs. What are the needs of Malawians? If we've got needs, we must make sure that we begin to do something in order to provide for those needs. We are not going to see development in this nation without industrialization, without producing, without working hard. Let's work hard as a nation. Let's stop importing things. We should start producing. We should start processing our products. We should start manufacturing, and we should start exporting products that we've manufactured to other countries. We need to build our own economy, a better economy that is industrialized. We can do that. What is the problem? What is the problem? We can begin to process tomatoes into different products that we can come up with. We've got ideas what we can do with tomato. We've got ideas what we can do with mangoes. We've got ideas what we can do with bananas. We've got ideas what we can do with maize. We've got ideas what we can do with all things that we are producing, that we are farming. We need to process them. Our cotton, we need to process it. We need to do that. We need to make sure that Malawians are doing things on their own. They're building their economy. They're no longer importing anything. If it is to import it, then